Hi everybody, this is Kel here from Trade with the Boys. Now, yesterday we saw the mad selling of the Dow Jones more than nearly 800 points. Now you see on CNBC, Jim Cramer blames trading algorithm for the stock market nosedive on Tuesday. Now basically, what is the program buying? Basically is the computer software created by hedge funds or by mutual funds, those managers, the engineers, they create some way to just follow through actions in the market, and because of that, I see you, you see me, everybody just keep on tumbling over each other and then creating a massive movement in the market. So of course you can read more on CNBC. Okay, the website is on top, and you can do a Google search. You can see this thing written by, or what Jim Cramer said as a foot trace. Okay, you can see more details. There's a video on him talking about that. Watch it, it's pretty fun. And I like this word called the rise of the machine. We have been saying that the market will be doing this, and I'm going to be on this video saying this. We have saw a 1,000-point drop before. We have even seen 1,500 points. Now trust me on this. It's just a matter of time, okay? I don't know when. It could be this year, it could be next year. We could see a 2,000-point movement, okay? I repeat, on the Dow Jones. Now, it could be up, could be down, but I'm going to just make it clearer. Likely, it's a down of 2,000 points. So watch out for this. It's going to be something incredible in the coming weeks or months, all right? Okay, so let's look at the Dow Jones. What happened last night. Now, Dow Jones last night, the very important starting point was this. When the market opens in the morning, very clearly, we have a color change from yellow to red, right? So what we do is that, look at the opening price. This is opening price. The moment the market opens, it basically trades below the opening price of the day. Now, this is very important to a trader because when the market trades below opening price, it tells you that the market is selling. It's never a buy. Look at candlestick. If it trades above OP, it's always a white candle. Below OP is always a black candle, right? So for us, it was very clear. We know that the boys were not keen to buy from the very beginning, even though we have a strong rally that happened because due to Xi Jinping and Donald Trump G20 summit meeting, whatever. So what happened now? The market was sideways a little bit, going down, but a bit of sideways. Why? Because the KSI was green at that moment. So it was quite clear that the market was not really going to sell big time until this very point whereby the KSI turned red. Now when the KSI turned red, we know that the boys have kicked in to start to sell, and from that moment you see the next moment the market dropped more than 153 points in just 3.5 hours. This is incredible. So when you have KSI on your side, the big boy indicator, you know what to do. Now subsequently, what we see is that the market had to recover. Okay, recover. Alright, we can see that. Now at this junction here, the KSI had turned to green, right? Yes, means the boys came in. So this CCRY with a bigger body shows that the market could have potential upside, which it did happen. It went up by about 40 to 45 points during the next 3.5 hours. Now, what happened was very important later. This is the bottom back then, right? So put a bottom price here, okay? And the market from this bottom recovered all the way up, and it was the highest point, all right? Not the day high, but the highest point of the entire recovery. Now watch this when I put it there. Now look right here. The market purposely did a CCYR. It means it's a sell signal, and yesterday was a bad day. The market basically broke the high right here on purpose and do a U-turn sell down, and the red bar is much bigger than the yellow, right? It's very clear. Now at this junction here, the KSI was still green, so you can see that the market, the next two bars are still hanging there despite the reversal movement. Now watch this when I put here. Look at it. The moment the KSI turned red, okay, the boys kick in to sell again. Now you have been warned earlier, and now it happens again. And with a movement like this, now watch here. Look at it. The market basically closes below the low of the day, and this is usually a very strong signal to inform the boys that this is a kick to start to sell. Alright, it's a very important thing. And if you look at it, what happened next? Oh my goodness, the market just plunged, okay? The market just plunged. Because most of the program algorithm, usually they will sell on the note that if the market closes below the day low of the low of the day low, or something like that. So when the market grabbed this point, the market just keeps selling, and you can see what happened here. It just went all the way down. Now from this point onwards, okay, to that's half an hour, the market dropped 290 points, and in just only a matter of 2 hours, it dropped 560 points. My goodness, this is pure selling, right? Common indicators like the RSI, stochastic might be along the way call for a buy or reversal, whatever not. But for us, it's very clear you are selling into the market. Okay. Now just ignore all these numbers because these are all the numbers as for today's market. Okay. Now if I do the chart, I zoom out a little bit. Now you can see that it got nothing to do with the gap covering, because you can see right over here. Alright, the kick in, the selling just came because whatever happened on that day, the market have already taken back. So this is brand new movement of yesterday. It's brand new movement, and the market goes for the kill. Okay, go for the kill. Now what's happening today now? Now today we know that US is having a holiday due to because of the reason of the late Bush Senior. Alright, who just recently passed on. Right, so today is a holiday for the Americans. For today, you can see the market is not even moving much because of the holiday. So just ignore trading Dow today, just go slow. But this is a good way to explain to you what happened, why program selling is in the market. Alright, hope you like this video. Till then, we'll see you again. Bye bye.